Logistic regression normally classifies stuff, and it will classify in two categories. So for example, yes or no, or 0 or 1. So you can only categorize in two categories. That's how logistic regression works. You create a line that is S-shaped, and this S is going to have all of your data points on it. So for example, one of the examples that I can give is, for example, imagine the color of a cherry. It is green, and then from green it will turn uh, green, and then it will turn to red. So this is a gradual thing, but we can still classify it as yes or no. So for example, if the cherry is red or no. So we can classify it this way, but in real world, this turning from green to red is gradual. It's not sudden. So even though we are cutting it off, we have a threshold. This line that says above it is yes and below it is no. This line is called threshold. And then, so we'll consider everything above it as red, everything below it is going to be green, okay? But this is not how real world works. It doesn't just suddenly turn from green to red. It will happen gradually, and that's why we have that S curve in logistic regression, which is created by sigmoid function. The S shape does not say if something is green or red, even though all of the points are going to be on this S shape, and it is gradually turning from green to red. It doesn't matter, okay? You can look at the probability of it. Like for example, if your S curve is very close to your threshold, it means that it is red, but it has lots of green in it as well than the one that is on top there. So the probability, you can see the probability with the S shape, but that is the threshold that decide on yes and no.